continues to merge pop culture with sneaker culture, and this fall 2025, the brand delivers a futuristic twist for the next generation. The upcoming Kids Air Force 1 Low Matrix brings a bold digital aesthetic, with glitch-inspired green graphics stitched over black leather, a tribute to the iconic Matrix film. Classic Nike elements like durable leather and Nike Air cushioning remain intact, offering all-day comfort for young sneaker fans. Neon green details, including a Volt-tongue logo and a mini lateral swoosh, amplify the tech-forward theme. The chaos continues inside, with glitch-style insoles that bring a static-inspired surprise. This release follows Nike's creative streak of pop culture-themed pairs, including tributes to Donkey Kong and GoldenEye 007. While rich in digital flair, the AF1 Matrix also leans into nostalgia, making it both familiar and fresh. Set to launch between July and September 2025, the Kids Air Force 1 Low Matrix will be available on Nike.com and select retailers.